Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's unbox some fancy stationery. First, these shiny glittery pens. So good. Pink. Orange. Blue. Purple. Let's unbox some slime. Wow, colorful. Green and yellow. Blue and yellow. Purple and green. What is your favorite color? Tell me in the comment section. Satisfying. Pink and orange. Green and pink. Comment for link. What is your favorite, clay or slime? Tell me in the comment section. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Next, these lock diaries. So cute. With keys and lock. Next, these most satisfying liquid slime. Wow. Purple. If your favorite color is purple, then like my video. Red. If you like red color, then subscribe to my channel. If you like yellow color, then comment. Use my code for discount on all products. Code equals F19. Green. If you like green color, then press bell icon. Let's unbox purple one. Struggling. Satisfying. Next, these rainbow springs. Wow! Dolphin. Satisfying. Very good quality. Shop now. Okay, bye. I hope you like my video. Subscribe for part 2.